What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Pixelmon. Today I'm gonna be trying to fight some things to get myself some more Pokeballs, because the Pokemon that I have right now aren't the most powerful. I really wish I could reach you because I need a flying Pokemon. Oh. What level's this? Same as mine. Okay. Okay. Gonna get this out of the way. Oh, a boss! There's a boss Taurus in the background. Nice. I might have to try and take that on. Even though it's probably going to fuck me up. Like, this Taurus has just fucked me up. So I'm going to have to use my own edge. There we go. Right, have I got... I'm going to quickly run to this. What's that? Ooh. I kind of want you. Wow. Is this guy really... This guy's so friggin' powerful. I'm just gonna have to try and Pokeball it. It's gonna fuck me up. Let's see, horn attack. I'm literally doing nothing to it. I'm gonna use one more Pokeball. If not, I'm just gonna run. Because I'm hoping that boss doesn't despawn. What the fuck happened to the world? Okay, no, there's no way. Oh, of course. It's just gonna kill it. Okay. I need some more Pokeballs. Because that is a shame. A level 25 would have been good right about now. This microphone's always in the way. Okay, we're safe. Hopefully that's not too quiet. And the moment of truth, is the boss still there? Doesn't look like it. Ah, shame. Could have had a chance of getting an XP share. Oh, okay. Gold. Level 24 Rhyhorn. Nice. Now, the flying type that I actually want is a Skarmory. I'm gonna have a run around and try and get one of those soon. But it's not really known where I'm gonna ever catch one. I caught one in the server. If you ever want to see me streaming the server, make sure you jump over to twitch.tv/Toby1streams. Why is there a giant Arbok over here? Okay, I'm gonna have to see if I can get that guy. I only had 2, so I might as well. Ah. Ah. Where's my local store? Have I got anything I can sell to get more Pokeballs? That's the question. I have a single baked potato. No. No, I do not. So, what it looks like is I'm going to have to try and get a lot of items together. My first thing to do really is to try and get apricorns. I haven't brought a pickaxe with me. Nice. So, just kind of attacking Pokemon is going to be my main objective for today. Yeet. Okay, I don't want my Hone Edge. Definitely want a Totodile out. Wow, that did nothing. Poisoned. Nice. I fucking hate poison type Pokemon. They suck. I kind of got to stick around this area because I do not have the facilities to be fighting far away from this place. I do want to catch another Pokemon today though. So I really need to try and get myself some Pokeballs. I didn't just do that. I did not just do that. I need one of them little squirrel things. Can't remember what they're called. Pat rats, are they? Holy shit. A Kangaskhan. Oh wow. Yep. No chance whatsoever. Right, I'm gonna sell quite a lot of these healables because I don't really use them. I really want to get some Great Balls. See, I just made myself a stepping stone. So I can't believe we came across like a Kangaskhan there. Even in a boss form. I didn't think that spawned in that biome. So we know Skarmories are spawning in this area. Perfecto. Hey, Doug Trio. Okay, let's see how much I get demolished by this guy. Probably very. I'm gonna have to change out. What do you mean I can't switch Pokemon right now?
Trio.
It's not gonna let me. Okay. Of course. Now it's just going to keep avoiding my attacks. Yep. Right, well now you're about to get slapped up, so... How'd you feel? Right, the X attack. The PP ups. Okay, now I got a lot of money. Okay. So now 8 of those. 33 of those. I can probably get more of these. Yeah. Ah, I didn't need that many. Jesus. Okay. 5. And then I guess a single potion. Alright. Now we're cooking. The plan is to get these guys leveled up as much as possible. And to potentially catch some Pokemon. I've just seen a Pokemon on the map that I really need. What the hell is that? Oh, I just ran past it. So it must be underground. Is it? There, she blows. Oh, it's only level 13. Never mind. I don't want to be catching no level 13s. Yeah. Yes! Ooh, Totodile's evolving! If you remember in the last episode, I kind of messed this up. So, I am glad Totodile is now Croconaw. Oh. He's even more annoying now. Nice. I'm sick of hearing Geodude. Okay, I just want it. I just want it for reasons. A tiny Geodude. Jesus Christ. He broke out quick. I'm gonna fight you. Just because I wanna take you back. Jesus Christ. Alright, Croconaw, you weak bastard. Never mind. I killed the Geodude. Oh, what a shame. So I'm going to quickly heal. Then a piece of scene. Get back to my abode. Cook myself some of this food. Because the potatoes are gone. Oh, there you are, Skamori. You're flying at a pace that I cannot keep up with. Oh, I need to fight you. Unfortunately, Watch Hog, I need to kill you. Why are you running away? Croconaur's a bit shit. He's literally just going to do an energy explosion and destroy me. So I need to switch out Pokemon real quick. Yeah. I couldn't allow my Croconaur to die like that. I just had a Skarmory fly right past me. And again. Yep. There we go. And you're dead. Ah. Didn't give me what I needed. Great. So got a Shinx and its evolution right here. Why's my Croconaur got all its health back? Or did I not lose any health with Croconaur? Yep, I knew that was going to happen straight away. Yep. He's going to kill all my Pokemon. Oh, never mind. Tauros, shut it up. I wasn't allowing the Ekans to battle me. I'm going to need to build a PC. Because I've got a few Pokemon to catch. I can't even run now. This is bad. No coal in there. Baked potatoes in there. Perfecto. Right, so it's time to adventure. I wonder if it's quicker just to ride this guy. I'm gonna head to the hills, then I can get higher up. So when a Skarmory comes along, I can nab it. I always forget that these guys struggle in water. It's not like a person. The fuck's with that noise? Oh, a Ponyta. We have some interesting music going off. So I feel like something's about to go off. Okay, I feel majestic. I feel majestic. Here we are, Tauros. Top of the world. Alright, enough of that now. I need to stop messing about. I have things to do and not a lot of time to do it. Probably have another like 5-10 minutes on this recording sesh. So it's time to find myself the best of flying Pokemon, Skarmory. Oh, can you really not get up this hill, Taurus? Okay. Leaving you behind, buddy. Of course a Wingull wants to fight me. I'll take your eggs. I can feel a copyright strike coming on. I can 100% feel that. Right, oh no. Please. Please give me the fly. I'm not seeing anything interesting spawning. I don't want to get just any Pokemon. I gotta stick in this biomes. Stick in this biomes. For I cannot live without Miss Skarmory. Oh, where are you, Skarmory? I wish that I could be with you. Oh no. There we go. What the fuck? That just moved. That gym thing. What the fuck is that? A Litleo. Okay, well it's about to destroy my Croconaw. Yep. I'm gonna assume Water Gun's gonna do something against this guy. Yeah. Okay, so this is an effect Pokemon. It's gonna just take all my shit down and then attack me with like a simple attack. So hopefully I can take it far enough down by then. I can see something struggling in the bushes over that way. So. Okay. Okay. What? What? Hold the phone. Something was struggling in these trees over here. I want to have a look. Okay, never mind. Doesn't look like it's here anymore. I'm having this geezer, Boltund. So I haven't caught another Pokemon this episode yet. So we're going to have one last attempt. I'm going to heal these up. And then we're going to see if we can get ourselves a Pokemon. At least we managed to evolve. Right. This geezer can't be a flyer. I don't think. You can't fly on it. I think the best thing to do is to stick around the trees. I don't know why I said the trees, I meant the hills. If you want to stick around the trees, that's fine. Alright, someone's an opera singer around here. At least that music's finished. Because that was kind of annoying. Okay, nothing interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Come on, just one single Skarmory. That's all I need, as long as it's not too high in the sky. Oh, I found another little health cabin. Ho ho ho. To the victor goes the spoils. I'll take all of this. The revives, I'm going to keep. The super potions, I'm going to keep. Other than that, I'm going to get me some balls.
Goldine, Goldine.
Shut the hell up, Goldine. Oh, that's why I'd taken him away. I was looking for him. Ooh. Ooh. Chikorita. Chikorita's a starter Pokemon. Let us see. Okay. I'm gonna keep Chikorita. Ah! The screen. Yeah, I'm gonna keep Chikorita. Pretty nice Pokemon. He's a moo cow. Okay. See, I keep seeing these tiny Pokemon, and I'm so tempted to get them. This Taurus is so slow. Oh, wow. Oh. A Growlithe. Nice. I'm going to take that as well. I'm going to Great Ball this bad boy. Because a Growlithe is a good Pokemon to have. Turn that bad boy into an Arcanine, and you have a good Pokemon. Ice Fang. I'm going to change that for Leah. Okay. I'm going to explore this. See, I've got a feeling this is going to be like an hour-long episode. Oh, shit. Oh, no, I've got some blocks. A few hours later. Okay. Oh, a GS ball. And bones will come in handy. Oh, another GS ball. So that is Poggers. actually. Did I leave all the bones? No, I didn't. Single piece of meat doesn't bother me. Earth plate. Poggers. Absolute poggers. Thick club. Absolute poggers. Honestly, what a turnout of, like, just amazing items. I don't know how good a GS ball is. I'm gonna have to search that up before I start wasting it. Okay, Cubone. Thanks for showing up, Cubone. I need to go sell some items. I would say this has been kind of successful now. Haven't even noticed that the entire time. Oh my god. I've got a Pokeball. Again. A quick ball. Okay. Can be used to catch Pokemon. 5 times catch rate if used on the first turn of the battle. Standard rate if thrown outside of battle. GS Ball. Can be used to catch Pokemon. So it's just the same as a Pokeball, really. Oh. What are you? Legendary Boss Houndoom? I ain't gonna mess with you. Don't know why I just threw that. I've taken down a Houndoom before, actually. Fuck it, I'm right outside this. What a way to pog in the chat. Like, start off with second most powerful. Yeah, just gonna absolutely wreck my socks. Yeah. Not even gonna be able to do a tiny bit of damage to it. Yeah. I wonder if this is something you can give to Cubone. Right, I need to save that last space. So unless I find something I really, really like, until I've got a PC, I can't be filling that up because I need to use fly. Sell. PP up. Full restore. Yeah. Ether. But heal revive. Paralyze heal. Ether. Awakening. So it looks like this is the way I'm going to get Pokeballs. The ground gem. I'm going to keep the ground gem, actually. That's the way I'm going to get Pokeballs. I'm just going to have to buy them. Croconaw was given... Oh. Okay, my Croconaw can have a thick club. It's not really what I wanted to do, but... Right, so I think now... I'm going to have to make some more chests. Still haven't got any berries. Oh, Skarmories! Yes! Okay. Skarmory broke free. No. I'm gonna have to follow this guy. This is gonna... Oh, no. I have a feeling this is gonna take me on a wild goose chase. And of course something would attack me. Okay. Okay. So I guess it was kind of worth it. No, fuck off. Oh my god, I just threw a Pokeball again. I need to stop. Oh my god. I don't need you anymore. The hunt for the Skarmory is over. I say it's over. I've got to actually be able to catch one. No, stop. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. This is going to be so impossible to do. Okay, one last try. I'm just going to follow this guy. Okay. Okay, so he's going to go across these hills. Yes! Right. Just going to tackle. Okay. Just keep using tackle. I don't care if it kills my Pokemon. Get it down to the yellow. I was really hoping for a higher level Skarmory, to be honest. But what can you do? Breaking free. Please tell me it's going to know a good move as well. If it knows Metal Claw or whatever it's called. I think it's called Metal Claw. I keep pressing that. I don't want that. I want Pokeballs. I'm not going to waste the last GS ball because I don't actually know what it does. I'm going to have to test that. Damn it. So this is why I need Ultra Balls. Okay. Just getting the ball. It's going to piss me off. I've got the feeling it's going to piss me off and take forever to get into the ball. Yeah. It knows Metal Claw. I've just seen it use Metal Claw against me. But the problem is, it's pissing me off. I'm not going to want it. I'm just going to end up killing it. I'm gonna have to end up killing it, aren't I? Because I can't waste all of my Pokeballs. I know I want a flying type, and this is like the best option, but yeah, I'm gonna have to try and take it down. Try and take its health down. And just hope I don't kill it. There we go. How is level 12 breaking out of a Great Ball so many times? This bitch! Right. I'm just going to use the Great Balls. If the Great Balls don't get it, I'm going to kill it. Right, we finally got it. This temperamental bitch. That's not what I meant to do. Right, we've finally got a flying type Pokemon, guys. So now we can get around places a hell of a lot quicker. And I can probably catch a better one. Right, what the hell is... I swear this thing moves. Okay. Okay. I need a few more chests. I'm running out of space. Okay, just put a load of random shit in there. Doesn't really matter. Now there's a reason I've kept the bones. And you about to see. Right, so I need a nice place for farm. Okay. I have a lot of bone meal now. Right, I also want to build up more. Skarmory, get the hell out of the way. Might as well bud one of them. Now I have 20 apricorns. Great success. Now I'm going to need to cook them. Do I have any coal or anything like that? I do not. Of course. So I'm going to need to just quickly break down. I know this has been a long-ass episode. But I am enjoying playing this game. Right. Right, so I'm going to end it here, guys, because it's already like, I don't know, wait, what button am I pressing? Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm going to end it there, guys, because it has been a long-ass episode. Now, we have filled up our Pokemon roster. We have got some apricorns, great success, and we have a shit ton of Pokeballs. Now we've got like an unlimited source of Pokeballs, which is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. This has been Toby1. Peace.